Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're already signed in, so open the class you want to share and go straight to the gear icon for settings. Once there, look under General. Google shows a class code and an invite link. This is the only reliable link Google provides. Click the field next to Invite Link and use the copy option. Do it now so you don't lose your place. This gets you the shareable join URL that students use to enter the class without manually typing a code. Once you've located the invite link, click Copy. That action places the exact join URL on your clipboard. If Google shows no link, some accounts hide it. Copy the class code and create a short message like, "Join with this code, ABC123, then paste where needed." Make sure the link starts with Classroom. Google, com/c/ so students reach the right class. After copying, test by pasting into a new tab or a draft message. This verifies the link is complete. Paste the copied link into your chosen channel and tell students to click Join. That's the final delivery step. Once done, test the link in an incognito window to confirm it opens the class join page rather than your teacher view. If the link doesn't work or isn't visible, make sure you have teacher privileges and the class is active. Then open Settings and reset the class code or regenerate the invite link. Key troubleshooting tip: if students can't join, reset the
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.